replace Emily at the close up booth.
Yeah, last time I just put it in the car.
No, I know.
Not gonna lie.
Why are you filming on the way back?
I'm just gonna leave it rolling.
Huh?
We're just gonna leave it rolling. So conveniently we get.
But I thought are we not changing the angle at all? Like doing a lower or higher angle?
But we can't do it over such long distance. Unless you happen to have a crane which I can.
Yeah, but how long is that?
What do you mean? That's a long shot, as in from this perspective to there. It's not
Yeah, but if you
zoomed
put it
in.
on my lap, it's got a little bit more height. Or it's a bit more risky.
I could put it lower.
It's just that
She's
you
got
get a high angle on the car.
What, from there?
Okay, well not from there, but when
You get a low angle.
Yeah, but when it comes.
I'm not sure how much that much height difference makes. I mean, we can try it, see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go!
You should have. Oh.
Right, and then I'll go film it from over there. If I stand here.
Yeah.
That sounds pretty awesome. It's getting the dust cloud. It is partially.
Okay.
Nah, it doesn't work. Yeah,